Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel. And today we've got another unboxing. And this one is from the Iowa Beard Company. The Iowa Beard Company, at least to me, and I think to the other couple of guys as well, when we did our fall scent extravaganza, none of us had tried Iowa Beard Company. And they sent us out their fall scent. And it was very surprising because their oil felt just amazing in the beard. It was kind of the surprise hit of the show there that we did. So we checked into it a little bit more. We said, we'd love to try some more of your products. They said, we would love to send you some. So they sent me out another package. So it was kind of interesting. This is a great scent, their fall scent. It comes in oil and balm. I only have the oil. So I thought, wonder what their balm's like. Saw that they had a butter. Wonder what their butter's like. And if I remember right, their presentation is usually different than this. This is kind of cartoonish. But when you looked at their website, everything's nice and neat and kind of all has the same kind of packaging on it. This was kind of a special edition fall scent. This one's a great one. This one is clove, orange, ginger, black pepper, cedarwood, tobacco, and vanilla. And it's not sweet and it's not your run-of-the-mill kind of pumpkin spice kind of thing. It's kind of earthy and peppery. And then you get a little bit of that orange and clove, and that's just kind of it's a lot different than some of the other scents that I got. So check that one out. Their butters go for $20, I think. Their oils and balms are $15 each, or you can get a combo for $25. All right, so I'm going to check into all of that. They sent out a lovely box here. Got a little button on that. It's got all their information for their company, all natural handmade grooming products made to nourish and condition your beard and the skin beneath. Also promotes hair growth and strength to avoid breakage while providing a light hold, also giving your beard a fantastic scent. So they are on Facebook and Instagram, and you can always email them as well. So check them out. And let's see what we've got in here. We've got, looks like an oil and a balm and a butter. And, wait for it, making a mess with the packing peanuts here. This is my first ever Beard Swag t-shirt. What does it have on it? Iowa Beard Company. Cool. It's in like their Halloween theme. Wait a minute, I gotta try it on. What do you think? Anyway, thank you guys for sending that out to me. I'm really stoked to have my first t-shirt to represent some of these great companies. And if you take a look at the packaging on this, this is a big 4-ounce beard butter. All right, the ingredients on this one is mango butter, shea butter, coconut oil, aloe vera, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, tobacco, something, absolute, cinnamon, vanilla, essential oils. Nice. So it looks like to be all essential oils and no beeswax in this. And I know a lot of guys kind of want to know if there's beeswax, any wax at all in the butters. This one is not. And tobacco bitters. I'm a sucker for a tobacco scent. That's nice. I get kind of the earthiness from the tobacco, and then I get the vanilla and a little bit of that cinnamon. It smells like. All right, this one's shifted around a little bit, but it's, oh man, it is very, 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 very creamy, very light. All right, so I had to put some of that in tonight. It doesn't seem overpowering, especially being all essential oils. I don't think it'll be overpowering. I think I can wear it at night. A lot of times I'll put stuff on at least about an hour before I go to bed, and that usually does the trick on some of these butters. It looks like they have 6 scents and an unscented. So I'm starting to think I just need an unscented butter because I'm not a fan of putting on more scents at night. Neither is my wife, but we're going to try this one for sure. And then we've got American Gentleman. So that to me might be some sort of cologne-ish kind of scent. And this is established 2018, so I guess that's when they started. Jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, bay leaf, sandalwood, patchouli, vanilla. There you go. And let's see what we've got here. Oh, we've got no restrictor top at all. All right, so no, we don't have any kind of dropper or restrictor. So I did a video on that recently where you can just do like this. and get it in all your fingers there. That way is a good way to do it. Oh, that's really nice. That's a little bit sweet, a little bit manly. It smells very similar to another scent that I have that I really like. Oh yeah, I really like that one. I thought I wasn't going to because I'm not a huge fan of like any kind of cologne or anything like that. This just smells like a barbershop blend that I have that doesn't have any kind of talcum powder. It's just a nice, sweet, clean scent. I like that one. And that's not one I necessarily would have picked out, so that's great. And then we get to check out their balm here. This one's in a different scent, Kingslayer. So I got 3 different scents. Uh-oh, I may have too much stuff on my hands. Got too much oil on my hands. Let's see what we have here. So, looks like it, I don't know, we'll see in just a second. But beeswax is the first ingredient, so it might have some good hold. Coconut oil, shea butter, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, cypress sandalwood, vanilla, clove bud, frankincense, myrrh, lavender, and eucalyptus. Kingslayer. Yeah, that one smells like a lavender blend, kind of an outdoorsy, herby kind of thing. Let's see what kind of hold it's got. It's got, definitely a medium. I'd probably say about a 3. Let's see, 2.5 to 3 out of on a 5-point scale, where 5 being as the most hold. Yeah, and I've smelled some other things that smell kind of similar to this. It's good. I'm not a huge fan of the sandalwood and like earthy stuff like jasmine and those kind of scents. This one doesn't have jasmine in it, but it kind of gives me that same vibe. So that was the Kingslayer. A lot of people like that kind of scent, lavender-based scent. I really do like this American Gentleman. I like that scent, and I think I like the tobacco bitters as well. You have to try out that nice smooth butter. All right, thank you so much to the Iowa Beard Company for allowing me to review some more of your products and to kind of share it with everybody else. Thank you for the swag t-shirt here. I'm really digging that. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. We'll do a little wrap up on how this thing, all these things do in my beard. So thanks for watching.